back. Now the stage is all set for the fiery match in the Champions Trophy between India and Australia. After India beat New Zealand over this weekend to take the top spot in Group A, they will now face their age-old rival Australia in the semi-finals. Now when it comes to Champions Trophy specifically, India does have an edge. These two sides met on 4 occasions in the Champions Trophy, with India winning 2 matches and Australia winning 1 match. Now there was also 1 match that ended with no result at all. These two sides are also the most successful teams in the Champions Trophy history, with both having 2 titles each. A win today for each side will mean that they will get a chance to win a 3rd title and become the competition's undisputed champions.
Now they have to go and beat Australia, in semi-final. I think, seeing the slow and spinning track of the way, I would actually give India an edge, in semi-final. I think they should beat Australia and play final now.
I wanted to see in semi-final India versus Australia. Now 2023 ODI World Cup, the same rivalry is back. This time Australia Kangaroos, you'll go in a losing way. Seriously, I'm very happy because I wanted India versus Australia in semi-final, not in final, which is going to happen now.
And I'm very much sure that this year we will lift the trophy. Hip hip hooray! India and India, हम जीतेंगे इस बार. Champion Trophy is ours. एकदम 100% इंडिया फाइनल जीतेगी. कोई शक है नहीं. कोई शक नहीं इसमें.
As you heard, fans are very excited for this match. Even former cricketers had some words of encouragement for the men in blue as well. Have a look.
Revenge time against the Aussies.
I will not.
Defeat.
You don't need to say revenge, but it's going to be a great match, and I'm sure India will not look back. Indian team will only look ahead.
बिल्कुल भारत जीतेगा, क्योंकि अब इतने मैचेस दुबई में ऑलरेडी खेल चुके हैं. विकेट का ग्राउंड कितना बड़ा है, कैसे हमें प्लान आउट करना है, गेंदबाजी करनी है, और स्पिनर के साथ जरूर जाना चाहिए, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता कि अब अर्शदीप या हर्षित राणा की जगह बनती है. आपके पास 2 फास्ट बॉलर हैं, उनको करवाइए, बाकी स्पिनर्स के साथ गेम खेलिए, और कोशिश रहनी चाहिए रोहित शर्मा की टॉस जीते बल्लेबाजी करें, क्योंकि बाद में विकेट उतना आसान नहीं रहता. हमने कल भी देखा है. तो टॉस एक बहुत अहम हिस्सा प्ले करता है, जो कि 50 ओवर के फाइनल्स में भी प्ले किया था और कल भी प्ले करेगा.
Let's all listen into how Australian captain Steve Smith is feeling ahead of this game.
An advantage, maybe, I'm not sure. They do obviously play all their games here, so they've seen what the surface is doing. Obviously the whole square block is pretty dry. Having spoken to the groundsman just now, it's the dry surface had a lot of traffic, so we've seen how the wickets have played. And India have obviously played really well in their games as well, so it's going to be a good contest. And they're a good side, aren't they? I think it's just playing our game, playing the conditions, and playing them well for the entire 100 overs. It should be a good contest, 2 good teams going at it, and looking forward to it.
My colleague Govind joins us live on the broadcast with more details. Govind, today we are going to witness this fiery match between India and Australia, age-old rivals.
Yeah, absolutely. Today it's going to the, the match between India and Australia, the Champions Trophy semi-final. Lots of hopes, in fact, now. And today especially hopes from Rohit Sharma also, because he was questioned by taking the question on his fitness. In fact, that if any politician reacts on sports or a sportsman reacts on politics, they have to face the consequences. And the same is happening. The politics has erupted in the case of Rohit Sharma. In fact, Shama Mohammad, how reacted on Rohit Sharma, has told him fat. In fact, we have cricket fans, in fact, men in blue in the ground of Arera cricket ground here. Sir, Mayank cricket ground here. Sir, ये बताइए आज का जो मैच है वो किस तरह का रहने वाला है, और रोहित शर्मा को लेके सवाल कई खड़े हो रहे हैं, पॉलिटिक्स भी इस पे एरप्ट हुई है.
ऐसा है, रोहित शर्मा के बारे में लोग गलत धारणा बना के रखी है. रोहित शर्मा जिस समय था वर्ल्ड कप भी ले गया है, सब कुछ उसने अच्छा किया है. आज जो थोड़ा फ्लॉप चल रहा है, इसका मतलब वो अनफिट है. ऐसा नहीं है. रोहित शर्मा अगर स्वयं नहीं खेल रहा है, हो सकता है, लेकिन वो दूसरे लड़कों को तो खिला रहा है, वो तो कर रहा है, मैनेज तो कर रहा है,
टॉप पे चल रही है
कैप्टन। हाँ, और टॉप पे चल रही है। तो रोहित शर्मा के बारे में ऐसा गलत बोलना उचित नहीं है। वो स्वयं नहीं खेल रहा है तो दूसरे को तो खिला रहा है।
आज का मैच जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया के साथ है इंडिया का, उसको लेकर जो उम्मीदें हैं, और भी कुछ लोग हैं, हम उनसे बात करते हैं। सर, आज का जो मैच है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंडिया के खिलाफ, इंडिया कैसा करने वाली, आज के मैच में इंडिया कैसा करने वाली है सर? ऑस्ट्रेलिया से मैच
बढ़िया करेगी, बहुत शानदार
रोहित
करेगी।
शर्मा फ्लॉप चल रहे हैं, ऐसा बता रहे हैं।
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, बहुत शानदार रहेगा।
अच्छा, चलिए एक और रोहित शर्मा आज कैसा परफॉर्मेंस करेंगे? चलिए कोई बात नहीं। सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव रिएक्शंस विद दीज इनफैक्ट पीपल हु आर जस्ट रोमिंग इन दिस ग्राउंड एंड दे doing different practices, and they are just having also hope from Rohit Sharma that they are much hopeful from Rohit Sharma that today he will be performing.